Folks, today I'm reviewing my Demolition hammer. It is Makita brand, model HM1301, and it is 1200 beat per minute, 11 ampere unit, 115 volts. Can work from AC or DC. You have this easy spindle handle right here, and got these tips over here, and standard trigger, rubber a little bit peeled off, but it's works just fine. Here's the back of it, and it shows that there's have oil in there, so I used to use this in the past. So anyway, Makita made nice unit. It works perfect. It works like a clock. It's always been dry and clean, and I'm going to demonstrate how this works. So it's basically working.